You know there are hundreds of types of dances in the world. I'm Adriana. I love to dance. I want to tell you about it. Let's start with one that you probably heard about before. Ballet. Ballet started all the way back in the Italian Renaissance. It's a style of dance that has technical technique, usually performed classical music. Ballet got more popular in France, where it was performed for royalty. Many ballet moves are still known only by their French names. The rest of the world quickly fell in love with ballet too. By the 1900s, it was popular almost everywhere. In 1969, it even officially made its way to Pittsburgh. It's the opening of Pittsburgh Ballet Theater. Pittsburgh Ballet Theater was founded by Nicholas Petrov and Loti Folk. Nicholas Petrov was a professional dancer and choreographer. Loti Folk was Pittsburgh arts patron. Loti went to a summer show and one Nicholas accompanied performances and fell in love with ballet. Together they decided Pittsburgh needed its own ballet house, so they opened one. PBT began by performing classical ballets like Swan Lake. In the 1990s, they started to diversify, and in 2002, they did a Pittsburgh-inspired version of the Nutcracker. Now, the PBT is a mix of 50 performances each year. We also have programs and classes for students and community events. In under 60 years, Pittsburgh Ballet Theater has become an important part of the performing arts community. If you love ballet as much as I do, let's see one of their shows. If you enjoy learning about ballet and the PBT, subscribe to my channel for my future videos.